Here we go, three. That's our aviary with the, what are they, Burke's parrots in it. Around. There's got more aviaries down here. We've got these guys. This is Jack and Gabby in here. They like to talk a lot. They're a bit frustrated, those two birds, though. That's why they got no feathers. Some more in here. Got nice birds. I think they're princess parrots, those ones. This is a ringneck, this one. There's that chook. Well, we've got lots of chooks. There's my cute little Rexy. More aviaries. And down here, there's my apple tree. And a lemon tree. I've got cherry trees behind that aviary. Oh, I can't see.